Hey, what's up, y'all? Back with another video. So today, give a quick update on the market. So looks like Bitcoin is hanging around. I think it's around 10,000 right now. Let me check, actually. Let's take a look at the market real quick. Yeah, Bitcoin's around 10,300. Ethereum's 860. Neo around 120. So just looking at the market. As I've been in the crypto space for a little while now, been making some decent profits. I'm starting to see a few trends arising, so I'm gonna try and start talking about those a little bit. But I think for the year of 2018, um, there are a couple types of cryptocurrencies we're gonna see have a lot of action. Um, and the first of those is platforms. So any cryptocurrencies which can run decentralized apps on them, I think in 2018 we'll have some really big gains. So just off the top of my head, Cardano, Neo, Dragon Chain, Stellar, not Stellar, is it Stellar? It's one of the coins I don't hold. Yeah, Stellar. Um, these other platforms which can run decentralized apps, I think are going to have some a really big year in 2018. I think 2017 was a year where we just found out about how some of these platforms, is what I'll call them, will play out. And that's why we saw um, Ethereum go from $8 to $1,000. Why we saw Neo go from, I think, 12 cents to, I think it might have been $80 at the end of last year. And we've seen Dragon Chain and these other, Stellar has had a really good 2017. I think they made those moves quietly this year or last year, 2017. But I think in 2018, as people see the space start to grow and see these applications, the possibility for how they'll be used on blockchain, I think we'll see a lot more of these platforms grow in value, and that's really good for investors. So those are really the primary coins I'm looking at now. Um, Platforms, anything that can run decentralized apps or anything like that. EOS, obviously. There's a lot of coins out there, so I would just say, those are things I'm looking at now to invest in for 2018 and beyond, to be honest, because all you need is a few successful dApps, decentralized apps on these platforms to really bring a lot of attention, a lot of media coverage, and from there a lot of dollars. So if you're trying to make a lot of money this year, those are some things I'm doing, and something you should probably look into. The other thing I'm looking into for 2018 more and more is privacy coins. I think with the growing regulation, we're going to see a lot more people looking into privacy coins to try and avoid it, to be honest with you. Try and keep their money hidden, or at least some of it hidden. So Manero, Zcash, Pivx, a lot of these other coins I'm just really starting to look into. I've always been a fan of Manero. They do have some issues, I guess, with integration because how it was built. But if that gets figured out, I really see Monero being a top contender as far as the actual currencies, like Bitcoin and Zcash and things like that. That whatever, being anonymous, anonymity, whatever how you say that shit. But being anonymous online, where people are really starting to take taxes serious, people are really starting to look at the tracking, and realizing that a lot of these cryptocurrencies aren't as anonymous as we thought or hope they were. So yeah, I think we'll see a lot of growth in privacy coins this year. So for the next few weeks, I'm definitely getting into more trying to buy some more into some of these platforms, more of the lower market cap price coins. So if you've seen these platforms with a low market cap, like they're just starting out, or for some reason, um, they haven't hit the mainstream as of yet, those are really what I'm going to be looking for those huge gains. I've learned a lot over the last year. It seems like the coins with the least growth that I've seen are the newer token coins. So tokens that are just used on specific decentralized apps. Those are the coins I'm actually getting out of. I've sold my stake in We Trust, which was one of the platforms Vitalik was endorsing or was an advisor on. I sold my entire stake in We Trust. I don't hold any We Trust. As I look into the coin itself, to the token, it was really only going to be used for premium services on the We Trust platform. So, if it's not going to be used to actually be able to lend against or be able to do anything like that, use it as a specific currency on their platform, it's just not something I'm really going to be interested in holding. I think it'll be a lot more gains other places. So yeah, I'm staying away from the tokens. I'll probably sell the rest of my tokens as well. I think I hold some more Civic, and I think that's pretty much it for the tokens. I've been getting rid of them slowly, but I'm waiting for Civic to pump back up a little bit. Then I'll probably sell off of my Civic. But these tokens which are used just for specific platforms, I think they're gonna really have to catch on and become big to really create these huge market caps that we'll need to continue. But these platforms, these privacy coins, they seem to be an upward trend where people are interested in them in general, and I think that'll play out in the price over these next few weeks. So yeah, that's the strategy for the next few weeks, few months. We're still trying to determine what type of market we're in. Some people think we're still going down. Hopefully we're going up. And just keep buying, keep watching the market. I'm gonna keep looking for new opportunities. Had a couple comments from some people on the last YouTube video, just advised me a couple coins to look into. I haven't done that as of yet, but I'm definitely over the weekend gonna take a look into some coins to see if I can diversify a little bit more. Hopefully catch some of these big winners over the next year, because when you look back, you see how a lot of these coins performed for 2017. It's really crazy. If you had any substantial amount of money in the coins at the very beginning of last year, or even before March or April, you did very well. And I could have did better, but I'm looking to make that up this year with some of these other coins. So yeah, that's just really what I'm thinking about now. As always, appreciate you guys watching the video. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. Hit the like button. And follow me on Instagram at legal_Jones. And y'all keep buying that crypto.